Hi everyone and welcome back to my Forex channel. So in today's session, I will show you how you can become a profitable trader by using Triple S strategy. So if you'd like to learn how you can make money with it, just keep on watching. So before we will jump into full explanation how you can use the Triple S strategy, I will quickly show you my profit by using the Triple S method. As you can see, I placed 2 trades today and they both in profit of $253. So what it means that basically this strategy proves that it works very well. Alright everybody, so let's dive deeper and I will show you how you can be profitable too. So the Triple S is very easy to learn. With the practice, it will become a great addition to your scalping strategy. This is a highly profitable one actually, and this strategy is coupled with a volume indicator and a price action analysis. If you are still here, let me just quickly tell you what the volume indicator and how it works. Basically, the volume indicator could be explained as the fuel tank of the major Forex trading machine. The volume is measured by how much the price has went up or down in that particular candle bar. So it's basically the bigger amount of people getting in at a time, the longer volume line will be. So because of that huge wave of people getting into the market, into those orders, the more movement it will be in the price action. Because, all those orders are just keep bombarding the market, the orders just keep coming and coming. So first of all, the volume indicator is very accurate. It basically shows you what is currently happening with those orders in the candle bar. I also want to tell you that this Triple S works the best with a 5-minute and 15-minute time chart. Of course, if you're a more advanced trader, you can give a go on 1-minute time frame, and don't forget to comment in the section how you did it. I'm very curious. Alright everyone, so let's just start by applying the best scalping strategy indicator, which is the volume 1. Alright everyone, so let's start by applying the best scalping strategy indicator, which is the volume 1. All you have to do right now is press on indicators and type in volume. And this will be the first one that we will use. In this case, you don't have to change any settings. We will use as it's been set up already. So once you are done with your first step, your second step is to look for any trend reversal or any stagnant price action. So let's say if the volume indicator increases or vice versa, so will the price action. This is basically happening because of a lot of interest in that currency pair. But all we want at the moment is to focus mainly on a trend trading, basically mean by looking for a healthy uptrend or a downtrend. So as you can see, I have 2 little uptrends at the moment, and if you will take a look more closely, we have this tiny pressure from the buyer side. They decided to take a break over here before continuing to the upside. And what I meant by taking a break, we had some sort of consolidation going on and then they shot towards the upside. Simple as that. So all you have to do right now, and this will be the secret, so don't tell anyone, but you have to use your price charts and your indicator, and you have to search for that big spike sticking out. So once you see this big spike sticking out, or you see that our volume indicator is showing that there is some action going to the way we want, so if you will take a look over the lower rectangle tool that I marked around it, as you can see, we had some kind of pressure from the seller side. It meant there was an orders from the sellers, the more people selling it. But then what's happened, these 4-line charts, this volume indicator showed that the buyers are dominating into the market, and this is what we were waiting for. We waited for that big spike to stick out. All you have to do right now is grab your long position armor shield and get ready to enter this buy trade. So let's just take a look how many pips we could possibly make on this 5-minute time frame by buying on a bullish engulfing candle. So we would like to enter somewhere in this point. Alright, so once you are in the trade, your exit and take profit strategy is super simple. We are going for 10 to 20 pips, but we are placing 5 to 8 pips stop loss. So when we will reach our 10 pip profit, we move our stop loss to around 5 pips, just to log that small profit. So as you can see, the risk to reward ratio is 1.47. The stop loss is in around between 5 and 8. I chose 6.2 and my profit level is 9.1 pip. It's good for scalping, it's not long-term trade. It's a very simple, you're in and out of the trade, so you're searching for those best entries on a 15 on 5 minute, or as I said, if you're a more advanced trader you can give a go on a 1 minute time frame, but it works the best for 5 minute on a 15 one. So if you had any struggles or you didn't understand me, let me just show you one more example. So as you can see as well, we had this trend line, the minute trend line, showing that the buyers are definitely in the market. Of course, they had some sort of consolidation before again shooting towards the upside. And once again, what's happened over here, we had that strong pressure from the buyers. It means there's much orders from the buyer side instead of the seller ones. And as soon as we see that the spikes are going and the candles going into the direction we want, we are entering on long position. So we have this bullish engulfing candle. It means we have a confirmation that we are able and we can enter a trade. And let's just take a look how many pips we could potentially make in this example. Alright, so if you will take a look over here as well, we have our stop loss about 8 pips. The risk to reward ratio is 2.47 and we will be definitely taking 19.8 pips home. So if you remember, previously I said about the 10 to 20 pip profit, it's the maximum that you can do because that's the scalping strategy. It might not gonna happen all the time, but once you will catch this moment, you will be super satisfied as you will see yourself that this triple S or simple scalping strategy works the best to become profitable. So once again guys, all you have to do right now, there's nothing like a rocket science. All you have to do is basically have a look on a 15-minute time frame, on a 5-minute time frame, and just try to find that better entry based on your price action and on that indicator, what indicator shows you. If you see that big spike, as I said, grab your long position armor shield and just get ready to buy it. So that was it for today's session. If you did enjoy it and it was valuable to you, smash that like button and comment down below how I did. I'm very appreciating every single of you. So once again, thank you for watching me today and I will talk to you later. Bye!